What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Bringing a bit more of a random video today. We're just kind of working in the garage. As you can see, we finished up the Civic, it's back together, it's driving. We cleared out a lot of space in the garage this weekend, just been cleaning stuff up, trying to make some more room. I think we're gonna get this thing pulled out and washed because it's very dusty from sitting down here for the past 6 or 7 months, but back together, looking good. About wash that thing?
Yeah.
See it now.
Does it even need to be washed?
I can see it now. I can see it now.
Also picked up these wheel dollies. This is something I've been wanting for a while, so I think I'm going to unbox these today and kind of test them out and see how they work. This, along with all the space we just cleared up in the garage this weekend, I think we'll be able to get another car down here. Usually we keep 4, so this should allow us to get a 5th down here. Let's give these things a little test. Alright, so first impressions on these Ironton vehicle dollies. They come in a pair and they're pretty simple and straightforward. In the box you have the dollies themselves, the hardware, and the wheels. The build quality seems solid enough for $47 for the pair. They're made out of about 1/8 inch steel plate and they've got some weight to them. Now the wheels are the only thing I'm not sure about. They're 3-inch plastic wheels with no bearings in the wheels. The casters themselves do have bearings though. And another thing I was concerned about is for cars with wider wheels, would the wheel fit in the dolly without interfering? And luckily that is not an issue at all. These things are plenty wide. I've got 9-inch wide wheels on here and I've got plenty of room on either side. So far they seem fine. This is just an unboxing and kind of first impressions. We'll have to actually put some use to these things before I can give like a full review on them. I will go ahead and say I tried to push this thing by myself and one person is not going to be able to push a car around on these things. It's just not going to happen. I think if they had a lot bigger wheels on them, you could do it by yourself, but with a 3-inch wheel, it's not going to happen. So we're going to have to get a few more guys down here and see if we can push this thing around and maneuver it where we want to. That's going to be the real test. If we can get the car back in this area here like we want to, then I'll say this was a success. If not, then I'm not sure if we're actually going to need these dollies or not. But yeah, real quick before we wrap up, let me just show you the current state of the garage. Like I said, we cleaned up a little bit. Might have another car coming up in here pretty soon, like I mentioned in the last video, so stay tuned for that. Still have a little bit of cleaning and organizing that I want to do before I'd say everything is fully set up. But we did make some good progress this weekend, taking out a lot of junk in here that we didn't need anymore, and we freed up a lot more space. So real quick, current state of the garage, walk through, let's go. So at the front here, my Miata, drive this every day. Next up we got Cole's Accord. In the middle of the garage is where we keep our air compressor. Also here we have some power strips. This is where we keep chargers, lights, all that good stuff. Extension cords. Next up we got the Civic, which y'all have seen plenty of recently. Nice and clean now. And then at the back here, Protege back here now. I got some work to do on this thing. And in the very back, my toolboxes. Link to video about this above right now. Welder back here. Table with spare parts. A lot more spare parts. Some goodies in here. This is also where we keep all our spare wheels and tires. And now just kind of looking back towards the front. So we have a lot of space in here. But that is going to be it for now. I know this was a bit more of a random video. It's kind of just one of those weekends just working in the garage. Stay tuned, we got plenty of stuff coming up, plenty more coming on the Civic. Like I said, possible new projects in the works. Going to have plenty more paint and repair videos coming your way. I got a few people hitting me up needing stuff done to get ready and right for the show season, so that will definitely be happening. But other than that, I'm gonna go. Make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe if you'd like to be notified whenever I post a new video, and we will see you in the next one.
Victorious, victorious, victorious. In this day and age, I got time for innovation, time to be creative, time too big to waste on my time on critics hating, flattered by your opinions to show you I'll just embrace it. Now what?